Hi everyone. Today I am talking about how to ensure that your online business is scalable. No online business wants to stay small forever. However, in order to grow, you need to ensure that your company is scalable. In short, scalable means being able to handle an increase in traffic, customers, or sales without a negative impact on your operations. But how do you know whether or not your e-commerce business is scalable? Today, I will discuss some tips on how to make your e-commerce business more scalable so that you can grow and thrive for years to come. Tip number 1, set realistic goals. This may seem like a no-brainer, but it is important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve before you can start taking steps to get there. Are you looking to double your sales in the next year, or do you want to add a new product that will attract a whole new customer base? No matter what your goals are, make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For short, SMART. This will help you create a roadmap for growth that you can actually follow. The advice number 2 is choose the right sales and marketing strategy. Once you know what your goals are, it's time to start thinking about how you are going to achieve them. The sales and marketing strategy you choose will play a big role in whether or not your e-commerce business is scalable. Without the right sales and marketing strategy in place, it will be very difficult to attract new customers and grow your online business. To choose the right strategy, you need to understand your target market and know where they hang out. Once you are clear on this, you can start planning how to reach them. For example, if your target market is mostly active on social media, then you will need to focus your efforts on creating a social media presence. No matter what sales and marketing strategy you choose, make sure it is one that you can easily replicate as you scale. The next tip is to prepare for demand before it arrives. If you want your e-commerce business to be scalable, then you need to prepare for demand before it happens. This means having systems and processes in place so that you can easily handle an increase in inquiries and sales. For example, if you are selling physical products, you will need to have an efficient way to manufacture or purchase and ship your items as your sales increase. On the other hand, if you are selling digital products, you can typically scale quite easily by adding more customers without incurring too many additional costs, although your administrative and accounting needs may become more complex. The last thing you want is for your e-commerce business to start growing and then suddenly fall apart because you can't keep up with the demand. The next tip number 4 is to clearly define job roles and responsibilities. In a scalable business, there is a place for everything, and everything is in its place. This means that it is important to have clearly defined job roles and responsibilities from the start for your team, especially since you will need to add new members as your e-commerce business grows. Even when everyone knows their role and what's expected of them, it will be much easier to add new team members and get them up to speed quickly. It's also important to have systems and processes in place so that everyone knows how things are done. This way, new team members can hit the ground running without having to learn everything from scratch. Finally, make sure you have a clear chain of command so that everyone knows who to go to with questions or problems. And the next tip, choose the right digital tools. Digital tools and cloud software can help you automate many tasks and make your e-commerce business more efficient. For example, if you are selling products online, you should be using an e-commerce platform to manage your inventory, take orders, and process payments. If you are also selling to other businesses, it's called B2B sales, outside of your e-commerce platforms, there are efficient ways of optimizing the process using cloud software. There are digital tools available for almost every aspect of running an online business. So it's important to choose the ones that will work best for your needs. Best of all, there is no need to purchase and maintain expensive hardware, and you can scale up your subscription packages as your e-commerce business grows. Final thoughts. Having a scalable online business is the key to long-term success. Even when you are just starting out, it's important to set yourself up for growth so that you can scale up smoothly with minimal disruption to your business and take advantage of lucrative opportunities as they arise. Thanks for watching and see you soon.